Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 8. Our learning goal for today says, I can draw a teen number in an organized way using 5 groups. Oh man, I love using 5 groups because they keep us so organized. Friends, is staying organized important when you're doing math? Well, yeah, it's like the most important thing. Okay, so we're going to do drawings and we're going to use those good 5 groups to help us stay organized and nice and neat. All right, you ready? Here we go. All right, so who can tell me what number is this? Yeah, it's 16. Can you say 16 the say 10 way? Good, it's 10, 6. I know that because if I took 16 and I broke it apart into parts, I would have a 10 and a 6. When we have that card on top of it, it kind of looks like we're hiding that 0, right? Our hidden 0 card. All right, but if I broke up 16, I would have 10 and 6. So I'm going to go ahead and draw using my 5 groups to show 10 and 6, or 16. Here we go. Count with me, will you please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, remember we're drawing 5 groups, so I'm going to start my next row right next to the one in the very beginning. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now I'm going to draw my 6. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, wow. I mean, I don't even have a 10 frame, but look how nice and neat my drawing is. Friends, what helped it to be so nice and neat? Yeah, those 5 groups. As a matter of fact, if I got rid of those cards and someone just passed on by my desk, they could say, oh, look it, there is a group of 10, and then there's a 5, so that's 15, and one more is 16. They would see it really quickly because of those beautiful 5 groups. All right, and look at, I kind of paired these two together to show it was a 10. All right, are you ready to practice drawing teen numbers in a very organized way using 5 groups? Oh, good. I'm going to need you to go ahead and press pause. I want you to grab a dry erase board and a marker, and then come right back and press play when you're all set. Okay, do you have your materials? If not, press pause, go grab them. All right, so you should have your dry erase board and a marker, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and draw the next number. All right, what's our next number, friends? Excellent, it's 18. All right, right now I want you to go ahead and press pause. On your board, I want you to draw 18 using those 5 groups. When you're all done, press play to check yourself, okay? All right, how's it going? Did you press pause? Are you all set? All right, if you're not done, keep drawing that 18. And the thing is, remember, you're trying to stay organized. So after you've made a group of 10, maybe you want to leave a little bit of space before you get to the other part, okay? Okay, but are you all set now? You draw your good picture? Okay, so I have 18. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How does your picture look? Does it match mine? Oh, excellent. Hey, could you turn these 5 groups so that they're going horizontally instead of up and down like mine? Yeah, totally. So if you did that for your 5 groups, that's fine. I'm just doing mine up and down for today, or vertically. All right, so I see if there's a 5 group, there's a 5 group, there's a 5 group, and then is this a 5 group? No, it's just 3, but it is following that same path that the 5 group has, so that's good, nice and organized. All right, 18 is the number, then that's what we drew. Fantastic. Well, how can I say 18 the say 10 way? Yeah, I could say 10, 8. Hey, look, if I spread it apart like that and I take it off of that hidden 0, right underneath my card, look at, I see those parts. 10, and what's the part over here? Yeah, 8. If we do our good drawing, you're going to be able to see those parts. Now, I'm leaving kind of a big space in between these. You don't have to leave a space that big. I'm doing that so you can clearly see it. But I would recommend if you make a 10, leave a little bit of a space before you go into the next part. That way you can clearly see the number. If these are all squished together, it'd be a little bit hard to see that 10 group, okay? All right, let's try one more. Ooh, the number 14. Man, oh man, do you think you can draw 14 using 5 groups? Okay, go ahead and press pause, work on it, press play when you're all set. All right, how'd you do, friend? It is tricky keeping those 5 groups in nice straight lines. I agree. Sometimes I have to erase my board and try again. But I did pretty good on this one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10. Now what should I do to do the rest? Yeah, a little bit of a space. 11, 12, 13, 14. Excellent. Now, I don't have my hidden 0 card, so I can't spread them apart, but could you tell me how to say 14 the say 10 way? Yeah, 10, 4. I can see that clearly in your picture as well as mine. Here's the 10, and there's the other part of 4. Friends, how do you feel about drawing? Yeah, those T numbers aren't too terrible? They're tricky, but all you have to do is do a little bit of hard work and you'll get it. All right, so our learning goal for today said, I can draw a teen number in an organized way using 5 groups. That's exactly what we practiced. I love what a nice job you did keeping everything so straight and tidy. All right, for your extra ticket, I would like you to draw the number 13. When you send it for your extra ticket, I'm going to be really looking carefully for those organized drawings using the 5 groups. Good luck, friends!